Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash, and what we're going to be doing today is making colored acrylic with a pastel chalk palette, Mia Secret's clear acrylic powder. We're going to be using my Melody Susie drill. We're going to also be using a glow powder. All of the things that I'm using here, other than my drill, are from Amazon, and the pots, like I said previously, are from the Dollar Tree. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking my drill and I have a fine sanding bit, and I am sanding this chalk down about 1/3 of the way down. And I'm also going to go in with the drill also once I get it filed down, and I'm going to file it down even more because I want it to be very finely milled. I'm also going to be using some glitters in these as well. And I'm just going over these a couple times just to make sure that there aren't any chunks in there, like I stated previously. And I'm going to take 2½ scoops of the clear acrylic powder, and I'm going to add 2½ scoops to each pot. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm adding some purple and gold glitter into the yellow acrylic that I made. And I'm also going to add some holographic glitters into the yellow as well. Now y'all, I know this is not a little scoop, it's a file that I got from from one of the packages that I got from Amazon. And I knew I wasn't going to use it for anything else, so I just went ahead and grabbed that, and I'm going to use that as like a little spatula / spoon. And when you're mixing this, guys, try to make sure that you get it off of the bottom and the sides of the pot, because it will get chunky once you get down to the bottom, and you'll just have chunks of glitter or chunks of chalk, excuse me, inside of your acrylic whenever you pick up a bead. And those chunks will not dissolve, they will just be stuck in your nail. Then I put the lid on, I tap it to get it all off of the bottom, and then I shake it up some more. Also, in a later on in the video, which I think I removed that clip, I will be adding some more of the purple and gold glitter to the yellow, just because it was very bars. And right here I seen just a little bit of chunky pieces of chalk, so I just took my drill and I went over them. And right now I'm going to lay out the glow powder, and my baby girl is going to pick out the color that she wants to go inside of the purple. And she chose the purple. So right now we're gonna add in some of the glow powder, but I just kind of eyeballed it, and I felt like it was not enough, so I added some more. And you guys will see that in this in just a few seconds actually. And there were no directions on here, no recommendations of how much to use, so there was no way of really knowing. I could have used too much, I could have used not enough, but they seem to glow pretty fine to me, so I'll just say that I did enough. I'm also gonna flip it over, tap it, and shake it some more just to make sure that I got it all off the bottom. Y'all, if y'all hear any weird noises in the background, that is my child slurping milk out of her cereal bowl. And I'm going to add some more white into the milky white and mix that up. And then I'm also going to go in with the cayenne glow powder in just a few seconds. And a pink chalk as well, just a little, because I was going for a frosted pink. However, I did not add enough pink, and it just looks like a frosted clear. And I'm going to take my handy dandy metal file and I'm going to mix that up some more and set it to the side. Now I'm going in with my blue. With this blue, I didn't want it to be like a jelly. I made a blue previously and it turned out to be almost like a jelly blue. So I'm gonna add a little more blue to this, and then I'm gonna add some blue. It's like a blue mix, but it has silver and purple acrylic in. Purple, silver, and blue glitter in it. I'm just gonna keep on mixing, making sure that I can get any chunks out and making sure that it's mixed very well. Y'all, I think I OD'd on this glitter, but it came out like so pretty. Alright, here I'm going to be using the Macart long coffin shaped full cover nail tips, and I had these in a video that I uploaded the other day, and I got them from Amazon. Sorry guys, I got from Amazon, and if you're interested in seeing that video, I could leave those in, we'll leave that video link in the cards up above. And right now I'm just gonna swatch these and I'll let you guys watch. Okay, so those are the finished swatches. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to add just a little bit more white to the milky white, just because it didn't look as milky as I wanted it to be. And once I'm done, I will insert a clip of all these swatches once they've been dried, and then the final clip would be the two glow in the dark ones, which is the off-white, the milky white, and it will be the Glow Baby purple. And the off-white or the milky white will be on the left, and the Glow Baby will be on the right. Also, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell on your way out. And also check out some of my previous videos.